Hello and welcome to this tutorial that I'm going to be showing you how to use the plugin Picu on WordPress. So we'll dive straight in and let's show you how to use it. Excellent. So what we want to do is we want to head into our back end of WordPress. If you don't know how to do that, I can upload another tutorial on how to do that at a later date, but this is assuming you know how to do this. We'll head into the back end and we'll show you how to use the plugin Picu. So, on the left hand side here, you can see our different tabs here. So what you want to do is head down to the Picu tab. If you click into there, you'll see new page loads up. Excellent. So now once this is loaded up, you'll see that you have I've done a test one, which will show you, but we'll make a new one and we'll show you how to start from the very beginning. Dead easy. Simply click New Collection at the top here. So you can click the New Collection at the top, or you can click New Collection at the side here. Once that's all loaded, you can simply go ahead and label what you want the collection to be. So we'll do a, say, test image. We'll just use maybe one or two images for this. As you can see here, the next step, it says to upload images, so you can add images here, and I've set this up to be maximum 512 megabytes per image. That is the WordPress default that I've set on this, but you can change that, or you can ask your host to change this, etc. Right, so once we've got there, we've got different share options below. So we can send this via email, or we can send this via email, or we can send a link and send manually. So the difference is, once you send by email, you can write your own email message, email the client, which we'll add in there, and that will send a automatic email to the client saying that their images are here and for them to have a look through. Or you can copy a link and send manually. And so this will not send an email, but if you can send them a link through social media or via email off your own email client, it's completely up to you. So what we're going to do first is, so we've done our test image. So what we'll do is we'll upload some images. Excellent. So what we're going to do is just click the upload and edit images option on the page, and that will bring up another page which basically says ask you to select your files. So we'll do that now. Excellent. So we're going to navigate to where your test files are. Mine are here, and you can see it's a JPEG file. So let's just click that and hit open. Once that's uploaded, you can see it's popped up here with a preview, and now we're just going to hit insert images. Excellent, so that's now in. So there are a couple of options, so you can select image order. So you can do by name, ascending or descending, just in case you wanted to lay them as 1, 2, 3, 4 and present them in a certain way to your clients. You can do that there. There's a couple of options on the other side of the screen, as you'll see down. So there's obviously a little upgrade to Pro, which we're not doing today. So you see create collection, which is what we're doing, sent and approved. So we're not really going to be too worried about the approved. What we can do is add a password protection. So let's put a password in there. And that's just going to be password. We'll just do test with a capital T and see how that works. Got a couple of settings here that we don't need to worry about. That's just to do with the theme. And once that's that, you can see we've got a link up here, collections, and that's the collection name at the end. And we're just going to hit send to client. You'll be prompted to a new page. This will give you a summary. So basically who we've sent it to. And then we can show non-selected or all images. And then we'll see the images below. And basically this sent it to the client. And I'll show you that end now. Excellent. So now, once we navigate to this client area, we've just typed the URL above. It shows up saying this collection is password protected. So we're just going to enter that here with our password that we set before and hit enter. Now this will load up the page. I'll just give it a second. Now we can see that image is popped up in the client area. We can click that to make it bigger. We can right click, we can save the image if we want to, hit the X at the bottom. On the other side there's also a toggle navigation to go cycle through the images, and also a little tick. If we need to tick that and head back, we can see that image has been selected. And on the other side, you'll see that it says send selection. That's completely up to them if they want to do that. It's, I haven't been using it for that purpose. I've just been using it as basically a gallery to show clients the images. But we'll just do that, and it just basically says thank you. And then once that's done, it will reload up the website. Excellent, so now we've gone through Picu, how the plugin works, how to upload images and how to send that to your clients. We can dive deeper into the settings at another date, but that basically is just a quick rundown of how the plugin works on WordPress.